Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us here on Republic TV. We're picking up some breaking news from poll-bound West Bengal, quickly putting out the details of the same. Now, the TMC has responded to BJP over the face-off on BJP's Rath Yatra in Bengal. The TMC says, and I quote, "Government of West Bengal has not denied permission to any yatra as claimed by the BJP. They're indulging in malicious propaganda with neither substance nor truth. BJP must show material evidence of Mamata government denying permission to the yatra. This is BJP's attempt to claim victimhood uncaught." TMC, they're saying they've not denied BJP the permission to go ahead with Rath Yatra that is planned in poll-bound West Bengal. Anuj, my colleague, joining us with more details on the same. Anuj, what's going on? The BJP says TMC has denied permission. The TMC says nothing of that sort has happened, and it is the BJP's attempt to claim victimhood now.
That's the line which has been taken by Trinamool Congress now, that they have not denied any permission. But let me tell you what happened earlier was very much clear out in open when Kailash Vijayvargiya was doing Padayatra in Kolkata, and the permission was denied. Rather, the permission was not given by the West Bengal. Now, when we are talking about the current situation and the Parivartan Yatras which are scheduled for the leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, being it JP Nadda, being it Amit Shah. So, the PIL has been filed in the court. So the case is underway, but the BJP is alleging that this is the tactic of Trinamool Congress to stop Bharatiya Janata Party Parivartan Yatra. And now what we are seeing, and that Trinamool Congress is coming out with the reaction where they are saying that they are indulging in malicious propaganda with neither substance nor truth. So that's the line which has been taken by Trinamool Congress. This is to wait and watch what exactly will be happening in that Parivartan Yatras, whether the permission will be given or whether the TMC can opt any other tactic as stated by Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me also tell you that today the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership is also meeting Election Commission of India. There we can get more sense what exactly their mindset and what exactly their view on this particular reaction of Trinamool Congress is. Yes.
So allegations and counter allegations flying thick and fast, Anuj, and that's what the trend has been the past few months in the run-up to the assembly elections. But really help us understand what we can expect as far as these Parivartan Yatras are concerned. At least 5 of them that will be flagged off by Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda.
Well, from 6th, this is going to be BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda, who will be in West Bengal and will be starting the Parivartan Yatra, and this is going to be Amit Shah also, as you pointed out, the Home Minister of the country, who will be participating and will be starting this Parivartan Yatra. So that's the part of the Mission Bengal of Bharatiya Janata Party. But when we are talking about this reaction and counter reaction, this is to wait and watch what exactly will be happening on that very day. Let me tell you, this is going to be on 6th when Jagat Prakash Nadda, the National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, will be in West Bengal and will be starting his Parivartan Yatra. So, whether the permission will be given, whether the route diversion will be done, this is to see, this is to wait and watch. But the route map of Bharatiya Janata Party for Parivartan Yatra is already prepared. Everything is prepared, like the itinerary is prepared. So Jagat Prakash Nadda will be there today itself and will be starting his Parivartan Yatra tomorrow. But yes, as we are talking at this point in time, this is reactions, this is a counter reaction which is coming in from the poll-bound state. And the BJP at this point in time is alleging that Trinamool Congress is trying to stop their public meetings, their Parivartan Yatras, their rallies. So that's the line which has been taken by Bharatiya Janata Party. But now Trinamool Congress is coming out with a different version. So let's see what exactly will be the reaction of Bharatiya Janata Party leadership from West Bengal.
So we're looking at yet another face-off, this time over BJP's Parivartan Yatra that is all scheduled to be flagged off starting tomorrow. It will be done by BJP President JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Let's see how that plays out, Anuj. For the moment, many thanks. Shifting focus to some more breaking news we're picking up.